Yeah, so where were we?
Drop it.
Finally, I finished shooting this thing. Actually, तुम लोग को एक बात बताने का था. People misunderstand me. I don't know why. People keep complaining, जिनसे भी मैं मिलता हूँ, कि मैं सिर्फ काम के बारे में बात करता हूँ. पर ऐसा नहीं है. Those who know me, वो जानते हैं कि with good people, I'm really good. जो मेरे साथ खुल जाते हैं एकदम अच्छे से, with them I'm really nice. पर जिनके साथ नहीं पड़ती और जो मेरे साथ जो एक्चुअल में गंदे हैं, उनकी तरफ मैं देखता भी नहीं हूँ. दिस इज़ माई नेचर. ये डिप्लोमेटिक होना, प्यार प्यार की बातें करना और जस्ट टू हैव अ लिटिल गुड टाइम, दैट डज नॉट हैपन विद मी. आई कैन नॉट फेक इट. पीपल फेक रिलेशनशिप्स, आई डोंट नो हाउ, बट आई कैन नॉट इवन फेक अ स्माइल. तो अपना ऐसा ही है, सिस्टम में वो डाला ही नहीं है डिप्लोमेसी, जो है मुँह पे. तो बाय एनी मीन्स, इफ एनी वन has been hurt because of my actions, deeds or any thoughts, I really apologize for that, but मैं ऐसा ही हूँ. And one more thing, देश में तो फ्रीडम आ गया यार, बट अपने थॉट्स में अभी तक फ्रीडम नहीं दिख रहा मुझे. बहुत लोगों को मिल रहा हूँ, सब उनकी प्रथाएं देखता हूँ, उनके वो जो फॉलो करते हैं वो देखता हूँ. दे आर नॉट फ्री फ्रॉम योर. तो अभी मुझे पता है कमेंट सेक्शन में आप भर डालोगे, यार व्हाई डू यू डू दैट. थोड़ा खुल जाओ यार, थोड़ा यहाँ से अंदर से फ्री हो जाओ. फ्री, कंप्लीटली फ्री. So we are installing some lights, guys. और I thought of installing a floodlight. But this light, it will have to be diffused in some way, so you can use a diffuser on this like this. But why to do all that jhanjat, right? So I'm going for this light here. See this one here, 24 watt. So I'll be installing it here on the wall, so that हम लोग जब यहाँ पे बैठ के वीडियो बनाते हैं on this sofa, तभी लाइट नहीं होती है. Whenever I'm shooting there and I'm directly recording, there is no light. So I'm upgrading my lights as well. आपने देखा मैंने मेरा mic तो upgrade कर लिया है. So now it's the time for lights. This is what I generally do when I'm recording. मैं वहाँ पे बैठ के अभी बात करने वाला हूँ, तो I don't know how I can adjust the focus. So that is why I use him. I use him as the, what they call it?
Dummy.
Okay, yeah, dummy. If you have any other solution for this, do let me know, because ये problem मुझे आती है जब भी ये घर पे नहीं रहता है. I cannot take the proper focus और फिर complete video out of focus होता है. And let me show you that light. मेरे पीछे दिख रहा है? See that? Now you don't. Now you see? Now you don't. See that little thing? वो मेरा सूरज है, घर का सूरज, घर का कुलदीपक. So yeah, I installed this light. बहुत ज़्यादा bright होगा. I'll come this side. So see, this is the difference right now. I'll show you the difference, okay? मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ. Yeah, you see the difference? Yeah. Today we are going to Asanggaon and we are already late. My mom has already gone ahead to Ghatkopar station and my family is too much into property. So my mom, Riksha. So my mom and a few other relatives have booked a flat there. So we are going to see the progress and soon we'll be getting possession. So yeah, that's in the plan right now. And we are in the rickshaw. Yeah. सगळे स्पेअर पार्ट्स आहेत ना. हे काय आहे? Let me tell you something about property. Hey, listen to me. Do you want to know about property? No? We are at the Asangao station waiting for the train, and I was at Asangao for some personal work. And here, just besides the indicator, I spotted an antique. See that? Beautiful antique. Our government has kept for us. Received a parcel today from Gujarat. पता नहीं इसमें क्या है. I was speaking to 2-3 people. So this is by Print Venue, and I really don't know what this has. This is a complete surprise. मुझे पता नहीं है मेरा एड्रेस कहाँ से मिला, बट क्योंकि मेरा एड्रेस बहुत लिमिटेड लोगों के पास है. So okay, it is a mug and there is a letter inside. Let's see first what's in the mug. So it says, congratulations, your Indian consumer. Let me read. It hasn't been long since subscribed to your channel, saw a few of your vlogs and really liked them, and then saw all of them right from the first one. Your simplicity, humility and unbiased nature is what I admire the most, and according to me it makes you better than the rest. कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल दिया यार. The supporting role of Deepraj, Deepika and your mom in your vlogs makes them perfect and complete. Continue being the person you are. Yes, I'll definitely continue being the same way as I am. This is just the start and you have a long way to go. Absolutely, from an Indian consumer. Lovely. This thing has made my day. यहाँ पे मेरा लोगो है और यहाँ पे your Indian consumer, 50,000 subscriber and counting, with a nice YouTuber logo. This mug is really awesome. It is red from inside, one of my favorite colors. And there is also a letter जो अभी मैं आराम से शांति से पढ़ूंगा और फिर आपको बताऊंगा. So guys, this letter and the gift has been sent by Sanket from Singapore. With the help of his cousin, he has sent me this wonderful letter जो कि पूरा 2 pages का है. And I'll give you a glimpse of it later. But I'd like to tell you, Sanket, that your observations and your feelings for me are simply amazing. You have charged me to a whole new level. जो आपने mention किया है, Mom, Deepika, Deepu, सबके लिए जो अलग-अलग आपने पूरा mention किया है, you have written paragraphs for them, is simply outstanding. मतलब इतने प्यार की कभी उम्मीद नहीं की थी यार. This feels good, and thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Just keep supporting, and I promise you I'll be the same and be here for you guys. So here is a quick glimpse at the letter. And bro, your handwriting is good. Trust me. Deepraj का handwriting इससे गंदा है. So how are you feeling?
Great, amazing.
Really?
The best thing about it is सबका एक एक पर्सन को पकड़ के उसके बारे में सब परफेक्टली पॉइंट्स नोट डाउन किया है. तो द राइटर जिसने भी भेजा है कितना
फॉलो करता है यार, मतलब कितना प्यार करता है
फॉर एवरीवन.
एग्जैक्टली.
एंड सबके बारे में थोड़ा थोड़ा लिखा है और दिल खुश हो गया.
हाँ, दिल खुश हो गया यार.
वो मतलब कम वक्त में मतलब उसने फॉलो किया है.
या
he knows so very well. Like
he knows everyone so well. Yeah,
completely.
Feels great. Feels great. Tinted. Let's pose for a thumbnail. What are you doing? जीप का कर दो.
गिफ्ट है ना.
Let's pose. So another wonderful cake made by Deepika herself. And this cake is for Justin, one of our subscribers. और बहुत अच्छा लगता है like when you guys come and meet me, it really feels good. And उसी बहाने आपको केक भी खाने मिलता है. तो दीपिका को बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा पिंपल आ गया है. कैन यू सी इट? या इट फोकस्ड. सी दैट? 4-5 पिंपल मिला के एक बड़ा सा पिंपल बन गया. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रेक इट विद दिस थिंग because this acts like a Comodone extractor. So I'll show you how to pop a pimple. And she is just scared and she had to prepare herself. उसका मन का तैयारी करने को उसको बहुत टाइम लगा.
प्लीज प्रसाद देखो दुखता.
हाँ, hold this tissue paper because either you will cry or the pimple will burst. Let's do it. Shall we? Oh God, it's huge. Thama, let it focus. थाम फुटता है. अरे फुटता है ना बाबा. एक सेकेंड. इट इज ब्रेकिंग. Yeah, it broke. Calm ना. Let me record. Okay. दीपिका नाटक नको करू यार. Now hold this camera. आता मला ते करावं लागेल. हाँ. So once. Give me the tissue paper. Yuck. See, it's done.
ये बघू कसं दिसतं.
So this is how you should remove a pimple. क्योंकि ऐसे करके ये इस चीज से वो एक होल में से बाहर आता है पूरा thing. The thing that is inside. The white chocolate, yeah.
It's not white chocolate.
It is, right?
It is.
ऐसे स्वीट बच्चे से तो white chocolate ही निकलेगा ना. Yeah, and if directly you use your hands initially and do this, then बड़ा सा hole बन जाता है and then it leaves a mark. But after doing this, it has been drained. If it becomes too white and kadak, then it is an indication from your body that it has to be drained. Yeah, so that is why you have to pop the pimple. It is not that pop करने से आपको फिर मार्क रह जाता है और एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. आता हा वाला फोडूया.
नाही मी याच्यासाठी प्रिपेअर्ड नाहीये.
मग प्रिपेअर व्हायला अर्धा तास लागणार का आता? आई शपथ. चला जेवण घेऊ. It's my father-in-law's birthday today. He says hi and we have got the Lenovo K5 Note for him and he does not have any idea about it. So we are going to give him a surprise. और हमारा जो केक था that has got effed up. Deepika could not hold it properly on the bike, I guess. So then what happened?
Life is all about adjustments.
अरे नो प्रॉब्लेम. पेस्ट्री बनवून टाक त्याच्या. मी सांगतोय तुला. चला ना मग. हे घे. वेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. केकचा थोडा गेम झाला म्हणून.
फुल गेम झालाय माझ्याकडे.
म्हणजे
ते असा धरला होता.
मग त्याला काय फरक पडतो? कापायचा नाही, तो पोटातच जाणार आहे.
चिपला गेला.
टेस्टला फरक नाही झाला ना.
खूप मस्त.
टेस्ट एक नंबर.
ये टेंशन काय को लेता है? अपना कौन सा सजा के दुकान में लेके जाने का?
पप्पा आईने गिफ्ट आणले.
क्या बात है.
Hi Prasad.
Hi.
You're Indian.
So what you are doing?
I am unboxing a birthday gift on the birthday at the venue
Wow.
right now. It's so selfish of me.
Yeah.
have to.
Really.
पेट का सवाल है.
खाली बॉक्स थोड़ी ना मिलेगा. बॉक्स के अंदर खजीना है ना. मिलेगा ना.
मिलेगा.
तो आपको कैसे लग रहा है पापा?
अभी देखते हैं, खोलने के बाद पता चलेगा.
लेकिन
अंदर क्या है? सही में मोबाइल है कि खाली केस दे रहा है हाथ में?
अरे ऐसे थोड़ी ना.
कुल्फी.
कुल्फी.
Kulfi means full accessory.
So today we are going at not the Barbecue Nation. We are going at Panchavati Gaurav, and this has a regular thali and it competes with Rajdhani. So we'll be having food here, lunch, and I'll let you know. So we are done with the food. And how was your experience?
You can see पूरा पेट टाइट हो गया.
Yeah, but if I have to give my opinion about it, if I have to give my review, I will say that it is not a place which I like to visit often or again. In fact, even twice. So, food was average, strictly average. Ambience is okay. Hospitality, waiters are slow, below average. And overall, if you ask me my rating, I'll give it 5 out of 10. What about you?
7 out of 10.
Are you serious? Are you serious right now? Because for Rajdhani, I give 7 out of 10. So for this, I'll give 5 out of 10. And definitely, if you're confused between Rajdhani and this hotel, I'll say no doubt Rajdhani any day. How much for this one? 1,63,000. Okay, cool. Not that expensive, right?
Real motorcycle will come in this price.
Yeah, exactly.
That's more than Karizma ZMR.
You can even buy a car in this price.
Nano.
Yeah. खूप महाग आहेत ना?
होय रे माझे खरोखर 1.5-2 लाख
हो.
खरोखर 1.5-2 लाख